Hi, Sandy Botkin here again. Did you know that you can write off your fun, your movies, your plays, your golf? Golf's an expensive sport. And if you write it off, you're having twice as much fun. Not to mention football tickets, season tickets. You can in both U.S. and Canada. The key is you've got to discuss business within the same 24-hour day as the fun. Does that give you enough time? So let's take an example. You're driving to a football game or to a play with a prospect that you want to talk business with, and you document this correctly. Is that talking business within the same 24-hour day? Sure. Let's say you're having dinner with someone or lunch, and you decide you'd like to play golf, and you ask the person you're with, hey, let's go play golf. And they say, well, if you show me how to play, they'll go with you. They might have a 300 handicap, but they're going. Is that talking business within the same 24-hour day? Absolutely. Now, here's the key. How do you prove you talk business within the same 24-hour day? Does the IRS have that burden, or do we have that burden? Who's got that burden? And the answer is we do. And this is where TaxBot comes in. Because if you're not keeping meticulous records, you're in jeopardy of an audit, and you're probably not maximizing your deductions. With TaxBot, you can automatically have the 5 things triggered that you need to bulletproof your records from the IRS. Who? Put their name. Where? Why? Be specific. Talked about trying to get a referral. Talked about the income opportunity. Who, where, why. When? Here's an interesting thing. TaxBot will automatically pop up the date. And finally, how much. It will store it for you and will take a picture of the receipt and store that for you. You ever have home parties? With home parties, they can be deductible, but you got to prove they were for business. One of the things you can do is have a picture above your food showing what you do, maybe pictures of listings if you're in real estate, or if you sell insurance, pictures showing your disability insurance, your life insurance, and why they should use you versus brand X. And then you can use your smartphone and take a picture, and it can be stored. Now, generally, it stores one thing at a time. So you would have to take one picture, you can store it on the website, and then take a picture of the receipt and store that on the website. And this will bulletproof you from the government. Do yourself a favor. Stop worrying about receipts. In fact, the problem with receipts is they fade over time. Use TaxBot to snap pictures of receipts and ensure that you're tax compliant in just seconds. And for those of you who think that a credit card statement does the job, you're wrong. My track record shows that if you don't record the deduction when it happens at the point of sale or at the point of service, then there's a 90% chance, and I think it's more than that actually, that you'll never go back and bulletproof your records within a day or two later, or when your credit card information arrives. If you're not enrolled in TaxBot, you need to do it immediately.